So in this video, I'm going to show you how I made $500 with YouTube ads and I made money on Clickbank. So guys, let's get started. So before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of videos on how to make money online, simple, straightforward way. So guys, let's get started. So guys, as you could see on my screen, this is around 492. And if I click over here, it's going to show me the product as well. The product is called Cortexi. And if I go back, so that's how it is. Now I'm going to show you how I made around $500. So that's by using YouTube ads, and I'm going to show you the video as well. So again, I have a couple of videos and everything. All of these videos are in my course. So again, my course is already live and it's all the 2023 strategies on how you can make $1,000 passively, right? So you can go and check it out. The link is down below. But again, this is one of the videos. I'm not sure you could hear the audio. So again, something like this, and I'm not gonna play the whole video. Something is very catchy, like the guy's making sound. There's one simple hearing hack which you could cure your tinnitus, and similarly I have it for weight loss as well. So something similar to weight loss. So again, if you've been struggling to lose weight, try these free foods. So these are all the videos which I'm not gonna share right now on this YouTube channel, but I'm going to share everything on my course, so you can go and check it out. But I would highly suggest you could just go and create your own videos, or the best thing is just go on Fiverr and just search. So if I go on Fiverr over here, so all you need to do is search video ads, and then you could, like, literally you could just find a lot of video ads, and then you can create. Usually it costs around, so it's showing me in dirhams, but $20 to $30. Let me change it into dollars. So yeah, usually it costs $20 to $30 and it goes up towards $100. You can figure it out. Just search on Fiverr, or you can create on your own, whatever is it. Now, once you know your ad is converted, and obviously once your video is created, you can upload it into YouTube. Now, what I need to do is I'll show you how to create a YouTube ads campaign. So this is the most important part. And guess what, guys? No one would show you how to create a YouTube ad, how to show the video, and how like it's making sale. But guess what? I'm showing it because I want you to make money, right? So now, so please consider subscribing. Now let's get back again. Just click over here, create a campaign, create a new campaign. And something with Google is every 2 to 3 months they keep on changing stuff, right? So maybe if you're watching the video after 2 3 months, something is changed. Again, just look at the video and make sure it's the similar stuff you're selecting. So I would say create a campaign without a goal guidance. Then later, all you need to do is create on video. Now see, they added something new: get views, get efficient reach, target frequency. So we would select get views because right now we want to get views. It's a new product, it's a new video, so we don't know if it's converting or no. Once it starts converting, once you start getting 3 4 5 sales, then you need to create again the campaign with drive conversion. But just remember, for now, just create get views. Once you start getting conversions on that campaign, you can create conversion ads. Similar process, same everything. So now all you need to do is get views, continue. Okay, now let it load. Okay, now video creation. Okay, campaign total in the beginning, I would say $50 per day. Okay, usually you'll get a sale in $200 to $300. You need to test a little bit over here. As you could see, it's 500 million impressions, but we're going to change it. Enter your location: United States, Canada. Okay, and obviously, guys, I'm showing you Clickbank, but I'm making good money on buy goods as well. And I would always go with buy goods because the guys over there are really helpful, and you have a affiliate manager, and they could literally help you out with all the new offers, all the top converting offers. So I'm making passive money on buy goods, but I don't show it on my Instagram because people know Clickbank more, right? So that's how it is. But buy goods is really good as well. I'm making consistent sale. You can go and register, and you can take my name as a reference, and they would help you register it because guess what? I'm here so you could make money. Now let's get back to the video. Select whatever countries are there in the page. So I would say all the tier 5 countries: United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. Even France, they do convert. Ireland, Germany, they could do convert. I would select English. And don't be afraid, guys. If you speak French, if you speak Spanish, make sure you create an ad in Spanish or French. It would convert more. I'm not going to do the related video additional settings. Devices, I would remove TV screens. I would keep tablet. I would run for a week. I would check wherever I'm getting sales. I'm going to do that. I'm going to select that. So now devices are done, frequency capping. So now at the beginning, what I do is 3 per week. Okay, I don't want to show the same ad to the same person again and again and again. Right now, demographics, obviously you need to select the demographics. I would select again, depending on the product, everything is on the product. When you go on marketplace, okay, everything's written on the product, right? So if I go on top offers, and then let's say for example affiliate page, I go on Live Pure, so everything is on the page. It's not showing over here. Let me go on Alpaline. So usually it's always there. So they show you the demographics, they show you everything on the affiliate page, right? Location, gender, male and female, age group 40 to 85, primaries, mobile, secondaries, tablet. So obviously just check. Okay, once that's done, go back. Okay, so let's say 45 example, let's take that. Now audience segment, if this is really important, if you have your ads, like if you have your audiences, that's really good. Okay, but at the beginning you won't have any audiences. So what you could do is keyword. So you could just go on tools, keyword planner, just type ear ringing or tinnitus, again depending on the product. So for me right now, let's say it's a fat loss product. So what I could do is I could just type fat loss. I could search enter, get results. Okay, so all of these, they give you suggestions. So I'm going to add this, get results. I'm going to add more suggestion, keto. I'm not going to add keto. I'm going to add weight loss diet, health benefits. So what you need to do is just select all, copy, paste it over here. Okay, now you can select either of the one. You can select keywords. If you cannot select keywords, select the topic. So usually what I do is I create one campaign with keywords, I select one campaign with topics, and one campaign you can select with placements as well. So depending whatever you want, but I usually do keywords, or I do this thing. So you can type weight, you can type health. Okay, so that's called. And guys, you need to test. Something which is working for me might not work for you, so always test. Because once when I started creating YouTube ads, I created like 2 3 different campaigns, one with keywords, one with this one, and one with placements. And obviously you need to test. Numbers don't lie. I could lie, anyone else could lie, all the fake gurus on the internet can lie, but numbers don't lie, right? If you're getting a sale, that means something is working. So either keywords, or either, like let's say for example women's health. So if I'm selecting women's health, it's a common sense that I would select women on the top. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to select probably men's health and women's health, right? So it's 23 million impression. That's cool enough. Okay, you can select YouTube channels and everything, so you could do that as well, but which I'm not going to do. That's it. So either select one. Okay, either this, or either this. Okay, now for the YouTube video, upload the YouTube video on YouTube. Again, obviously, let me take an example right now. I'm just going to select my video, one of the videos, just paste it over here. Skippable in stream. Okay, remember skippable in stream is really important. Now for the landing page, I could just select, you need to create a landing page and just paste it over here. Okay, once that's done, URL is over here. And which landing page you need to use? Again, if you're creating a generic ad, the same landing page, right? So that's it. Call to action, I would say watch now. Watch now. Again, lose weight. So I would say lose weight. Okay, nothing, that's it. Put the ad name and cost per view. I would start with, obviously it says 0.06, so I would say 0.10. Okay, there are times where I get 0.25. Okay, it's a lot, but doesn't matter if I get a sale. If you could look on the right, even with 0.04, I'm going to get my all my ad spend would be there. And just you can select create a campaign. Okay, I'm not going to select create a campaign because obviously it's a wrong URL. But guys, this is how you create YouTube ads and start making money. Now the most important question comes is how do I create a lot of questions, right? So how do I create a YouTube video, right? I don't have any clue. Let me show you that as well. So let's say, for example, affiliate page, okay, neotonic. I'm giving you an example, get approved. So what you could do is just fill on the fake information over here, okay? If you want to create a video, this, okay, this, what's happening, okay, not happening, okay, okay, next, okay, select, I agree, next. Open this one, okay? So if you don't have this one, ask your product owner, send me the resource kit. Once they give you the resource kit, the best thing is click on native, open this one, or go back, click on email, open email as well. And again, something like this: I used to look 15 years old than my husband, and then I did this. And obviously, like, something crazy, or like, my face used to be covered in wrinkles. So send this copy to the Fiverr guy, or if you know how to create it, you could do that. And there are a lot of AI tools right now that they could help you create videos. You could do that as well, and it's very simple. Once you do that, just create the ad, and guess what? The money, you start making money. And again, if you would like to learn more in detail, I have a video course, right? I have a course. Again, it's $197, and I used to offer at $99. So now, again, obviously, I'm adding new things, I'm learning new things. So this is something which I've learned, and it's working really well, and you could start making money passively. And just to give you more, add more, uh, like, once you start creating branded campaigns, generic campaigns, you could create YouTube campaigns as well. And you'll have the audience, right? Because you have the pixel in place, you'll have the audience. So with generic ads, you can retarget them through YouTube ads, and through YouTube ads, you could retarget them through generic ads. And then again, create a whole ecosystem, and that's how you start making money passively. And that's how it is. And I hope you really like the video. If you like the video, guys, please consider subscribing. And if you have any questions, do let me know in comments. And Yavar Khan signing off.